if you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode I thought I'll come check out what they got in stock at the moment at Roberts RV World. Now, if you come down here, it's on Sydney Road. Things might change over time, but at the moment, this is what they got in stock. Let's go have a look. Now, Roberts RV World have so many RVs. Look at this. It's crazy. They've got heaps. If you want me to come back here and do a tour of these vans, so I can pick a whole heap of them, even if you want to comment what ones you want to have a look at. I can come back, I can take you through some and show you. We don't normally do RVs on this channel. I would love to take you through some. If you want to, leave a comment and I can pop it through on one of our Wednesday episodes. But one I do want to have a look at before we leave today is this one, the biggest one they got here. Look at this. It does say on the door that you need special permission to go in there, but I'm like, well, I am King Dino's Adventures. Can I go in? So they're going to open it up for me and let me take you in to have a look. While I wait for them, I will just show you this board. Look at the layout. So it's got a few pop-outs, one for the bed, one for the couch, and I don't know what else that's for. And then here, if you just want to pause that, you can see the lengths, heights, everything it comes with. So there you go. Hopefully you got all that. And then on the outside too, I'll show you, they've got the TV speakers, place where you can plug in. You've got this here, so you can leave your TV in there. That's no problems at all. And there is the price. So that's what you're looking at. So you might have to sell your house to get it, but hey, it's worth it. Travel around, take your house around Australia with you. And then down the back here, you do have, if you want that outdoor experience, so you're sick of being in your van, get your chairs out, pull out your outdoor kitchen. Look at this. You got a spot for your knives and forks. You got your burner, 2 burners. You could even just do your barbie out here, you know. Another little cutlery drawer and your sink, which has a pull-up nozzle, and that's all hooked up to hot and cold water by the looks of it. So, all right, well, oh, and then look at this awning. You're not one, but two awnings on this beast. That is unbelievable. Oh, I can't wait to look at it. They've opened it up for me, and there's a couple of steps up. These automatically pop out when you open the door. The door's awesome itself. Like you've got the flywire screen here, and then you've got the full blind. So let's go up and in, and look at this, what you walk into. Are we in a theatre? Are we at the movies? This is like first class tickets. They got seats to pull out. They've even got USB charger there. And then you've got your drink holders. Here I am worried about drink holders in the front. Wow, look at this. But anyway, that's what you walk into, okay? And then we may as well check out at the same time. You've covered space up here on both sides. Now, let's spin around and go down here. Don't look at everything else. Let's go straight into here. So this is what it's like. So you're going to hop straight into the front and drive up if you want. You've got all your modern cons, plenty of storage options, drink holders. I'm sure there are some in there. But let's start here. And the first bed, and it looks like it's probably about a double. You got your ladder to get up inside. You got a bit of a hatch, so if you want some air. Also, you got your 2 windows either side, so you could get cross ventilation. You do have privacy blinds, and you got this to make sure. I'm pretty sure that's to stop you from rolling out of bed. because it's a bit of a drop down. Now over here you have your TV that you can watch from your 2 extra large comfy chairs with your feet up. So that's there. Then underneath that you got your microwave, and then underneath that you got your looks like a little fancy drink cupboard. You can put your bottles of wine and your glasses up the top. Oh yeah, so you put, so see, you can see here there's a bit of a gap, so your glass would probably go upside down so it doesn't move. All right, so look at that, fancy smashing. Now look, this in here is a command center. This looks like something from Star Wars. So you got all your different things here, including even petrol. It tells you how much petrol you got, unless that's for the diesel heater, who knows. But anyway, so you got all that there. Like I said, I'm not getting into the technical stuff in this episode because I'm not going to start guessing things when I don't know. And if I have got something wrong, I'm sorry. Then up here, you got this huge, like you could see the stars from here. So that can open up, and you can fully cover that up as well. And then I'm going to pan down and go into the kitchen area. So this is a kitchen area. You got a full-size oven. Look at that. And then on, oh, I can't even get into that. Oh, there we go. We've got 4 burner. Oh, and look at this. You've even got electric. So if you run out of gas, you can go electric. How cool is that? I really like that idea. And then it closes up nice and clean. You got all that bench space. Got a window there to look out as you're doing your dishes. You got a clean filtered water. Your tap there, nice size sink. And they've even got this here, so when you put your dishes on, the water drains off, which is awesome. And then we've got our overhead cupboards. Let's take a look. Oh, look at them. Now that's spacious. And then it looks like they've got a little bit of a lip here, so things won't hopefully fall out. And let's go down here. And look at this. Adam would be in heaven. He loves, like I said before, his drawers. So there's plenty of drawers, but at the same time, it's always handy to have a cupboard to, you know, put maybe a basket in where you can put like all your bits and pieces, maybe toiletries in there. But then again, they do have a bathroom. So, all right, moving over to this pantry. Now, you're thinking, what? Pantry? Well, you can cover it up. It's got this on it, so you can cover it up. Then you have the 2 pull-outs, so you can get right back to the back of the cupboard. And then here also, you can put your toaster and stuff on this. You can pull it out, and you can have your toaster on here. You could even just use this as your toaster back there, and you can butter your toast on here. So that's quite handy to use however you want to use. Again, big pot drawers, I would call these, where you can put your pots and pans. And then over here, you've got a bit of space above your fridge. We'll call that the medicine cabinet. And then check out this. Look at how much room this has got. And then also down here, you got the fridge. Plenty of space. Plenty of space. You could set off for weeks in this thing. All right, let's spin around and see the kitchen table. Now here, you've got 4 seat belts. So you could have 4 people stay in, like, seated up in here. So 2 people can sleep up that end and 2 down this end. And I'm not 100% sure, but I got a feeling this would make another bed if you want it made for 2 small kids. But I'm not 100% sure. Sorry, guys. Anyway, I've only here for a limited time, so I can only give you what information. You can always ring these guys. They're open nearly every day of the week, so you can check them out. All right, well, that is that. You've got plenty of lighting, overhead heating, cooling. Now we'll go through to the bathrooms, which is this middle section here. Now, when I was let in here, I thought the toilet and the shower in here. No, this is just a toilet. And look at this sink. Hello, hotel. We are in a hotel here. It's got proper lighting. You get your makeup ready before you go down to the local RSL. Oh, better not show Adam this. I reckon he would love this. Look at this. How awesome is this bathroom? Also, they do have a vent here, so you can open it up and let some air in there. But I really like this, and plenty of cupboard space down here. Your toilet that can still swivel, not that you'd need it to. And yeah, so that is that part. Now let's go look at the shower. And look at this. This shower looks like something straight from a hotel again. How nice is it? And then inside, so you got this tower that holds your shower head. And then you got your place with like shampoos and soap and Even the floor's nice, and I like the fact that they've got the 2 draining points. So if you're not quite level, it can drain either side, and then it can go down into these little ditches. So even if you're level another way, you know, your water's going to find its way out of here, which is awesome. Let's turn around and go into the bedroom. Now, this is not a double bed. This is actually a queen size bed. That's how big this is. It's another slide out. So it's got 2 slide outs. You got the one here. So this slides out. And then you got the bedroom slide out. You got all that personal storage on either side. Has your switches so you can plug in. Lighting, obviously. And then here we've got more covered space. And on this side, we'll call this the entertainment and cupboard space. So you got another TV. So this place has 3 TVs in this van. Again, you've got plenty of these hatches, so you can open up, get a bit of cross breeze again, but then all your windows open up. Also have full block out and have the flywire screen as well. Look at this cupboard space. I mean, really, come on. And you've got all these drawers. Like, you could literally move it. You'd sell your house and move into this full time. This is just absolutely incredible. The amount of space in here. It just feels like you're in a apartment. And another thing I should point out too, if you've got guests over, if someone's staying here and you want a bit of privacy, you can. This door is designed to open up like this, and it clicks in there, which then blocks you completely from the other part of the room. Let me just turn this around and show you from here. So there you go. So that blocks that off, and then that gives you like your own little space, personal space, and then that way whoever's staying with you can stay up there and they've got their own space also. Well, there you go. There's your one RV for this episode. I've chosen the biggest one. It's one of the biggest RVs made in Australia. So how awesome is that? Now, if you're, like I said, if you're interested in me showing you more RVs from this place, just pretty much comment down below, let us know, and then I can pop it up on one of our Wednesday episodes. Come back and film here, because it's been awesome. These guys have been great. Let me come here and film today and do this midweek episode. I'll be honest, I couldn't help myself. I had to sit back in this chair and see what it felt like. Oh, wow. Imagine, this is ridiculous. Imagine Adam and I in one of these. Adam's feet wouldn't even touch the ground, to be honest. How awesome is it? God, this place is incredible. And guys, if you're new to the channel, you've just found us through this, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe, because we have plenty of different towns we visit, like we've seen in our intro, cooking ideas and plenty of other things. So make sure you get down there and like and subscribe. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this midweek episode. Come down and see the guys from Robert's RV World down on Sydney Road. I'll pop the address below. This place is huge, full of RVs to look at. So come down, you'll really enjoy it. The staff are really friendly, and I've enjoyed my day here. So until this Sunday at 5 p.m, hope to see you then. See you guys.